You read, on a particular day, 500 people visited Carnival, 300 people rode the Ferris wheel, and 350 people rode the roller coaster. Each person rode at least one of these attractions. Display this information on a Venn diagram. Now, the Venn diagram looks like a two-circle because there's two options at the moment. What are our options? One is a Ferris wheel for F, roller coaster for R. So 500 people in total. So I'm going to write total 500 on the side just as a mental note. Then 300 people rode the Ferris wheel. So we always start with A, B, and C. So A plus B must equal the Ferris wheel, so 300. 350 people rode roller coaster, so B plus C must be 350. And then each person rode at least one of these attractions, meaning there is no one on the outside. Everyone rode something at least. So A plus B plus C equals 500 people in total. Now, this is where I start doing the substitution. Hopefully we're used to it by now. So A plus B we can replace with 300. So this replaced by 300. Then I just rearrange. Minus 300 from both sides. C must be 200. So I got my answer for C, 200. Then I just got to find my B, which I substituted in. So my B must be if I rearrange it, B must be 350 take 200, which is 150. Now I just got to find my A. So I sub it in the original, the first equation. So substitute that in here. So if I rewrite that over here, it would be A plus B, which we know, equals 300. So minus 150 from both sides. So A must be 150. Now once I got this, I'm just going to double check all my facts. So A plus B should be 300 people. Good. B plus C should be 350. Awesome. And then if I add A, B, and C, it should be 500. 300 plus 200, 500. Well done. So this one's all done. BI, let's have a look. Find the probability that a random chosen person rode the Ferris wheel but not the roller coaster. So probability of Ferris wheel but not roller coaster. Alright, so let's have a look at who rode the Ferris wheel. This many people rode the Ferris wheel, 300. But not roller coaster. So out of that many people, this B amount of people rode roller coaster, so I need to take that out. So it's just A, this amount of people, which is 150. So 150 out of the total probability, which is 500. I just got to simplify it. I'm going to divide it by 10 first, so I get 15 over 50. Then I'm going to divide by, so I'll write it here for you. I'm going to then divide by 5, so I get 3, and then 10, and that's my simplest probability. Alright, let's do BII. Rode the roller coaster. Given, remember given means a little dash, it's a conditional probability. Given that they rode the Ferris wheel. So when we have a conditional probability, I'm just going to erase all the highlighted bits so we can work on BII. When we work on conditional probability, you need to focus on the B part first, meaning this part first, and highlight it first. So how many people rode Ferris wheel? Which condition is that? It's this one. So we are only looking at the highlighted people, and that becomes our denominator. So 300 people is our denominator. We're only looking at those highlighted people. Now, out of those people, how many people rode the roller coaster? Well, that's pretty easy. You just look at the Venn diagram, and you realize that it's this amount of people, 150, and that just divides down to a half, and that's it.